In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as sent in Zoho Books. This is a simple but really important task because marking an invoice as sent helps you keep your records accurate and lets you quickly see which invoices have actually gone out to your customers and which are still drafts. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your business finances. From here, we're going to head straight to the section that controls your sales transactions. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Sales. This area is where Zoho Books groups everything related to the money coming into your business, like estimates, invoices, and payments received. After you click on Sales, a list of related options will appear under it. From that list, click on Invoices. This will open up your full list of invoices. Here you can see things like invoice numbers, customers, due dates, amounts, and current statuses, such as draft, sent, or paid. Now, on the Invoices page, locate the specific invoice or invoices that you want to mark as sent. To the left of each invoice in the list, you'll see a small checkbox. Click on the box next to the invoice you want to update. If you need to mark multiple invoices as sent at the same time, you can check several boxes in this list. This is a great way to save time if you've created a batch of invoices and now want to update their status all at once. Once you've selected the invoice or invoices, look toward the top of the invoice list for an action bar that appears. In that bar, find the option that says Mark as Sent and click on it. Zoho Books will then update the status of all the selected invoices from draft to sent. After doing this, quickly scan the status column in your invoice